Every day, machines and people work harmoniously hand in hand. But who is it that ensures that our day-to-day work runs smoothly?
And how do I know I'll safely get up there?
We have been safeguarding the world's movements for more than 125 years. Even if this is not always apparent at first glance, our safety brakes and clutches are used in countless machines, elevators, wind turbines, and many other applications. As the global market leader, we are ambitiously driving mechanical power transmission technology forward. Our biggest challenge today is digitization. The challenge to interconnect and automate the existing power transmission world. To enable brakes and clutches to communicate using electronic modules in order to make our movements safer. For us, safeguarding movement begins with passion. The passion to work on the innovations of tomorrow, such as the patented noise dampening of our mayr elevator brakes. It is our promise to ensure reliable protection for people and machines every day. To hold positions with millimeter precision and interrupt movements precisely and at lightning speed in an emergency. Our customers trust in smooth processes, in consistent and effective production chains. Trust in mayr quality. Mayr Power Transmission. Let's make the movements of our world safe together. For us and the next generations.